Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, depending on your location. I welcome you guys to my YouTube channel here at Showing the Way FX Academy. In this channel, I'm going to be teaching you guys three important things that you need in order to be successful traders in this market. And these three important things are your trading strategy, your risk management, and your trading psychology. That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys on this channel. But today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my forex trading journey, how I was able to master forex trading in a span of 3 months. It took me 3 months to master forex trading skill. And I'll also be teaching you guys how you can also master your trading skills in less than 3 months. If you consider this content useful, please consider hitting on the subscription button, then on the notification icon, so whenever I drop any content like this one, you will be notified. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Basically, I started forex trading in 2021. That was December, the middle of December, when I discovered forex markets. And how do I discover the market? There was a moment where I felt that nothing good was happening in my life, because looking at what I want, who I want to be in future, and how things was going by then was not good for me. So there was a day where I said, oh, then let's go into the internet and see if I can be able to get anything that can make me money the kind of money that I want. So I went on and searched how I can make money with my smartphone or laptop without having to work for salary or having to work for someone to pay me at the end of the month. So after searching on YouTube, I saw or I came across a lot of things, but what inspired me most was this forex trading scheme. Throughout the options, it was only forex trading that has inspired me or that has motivated me a lot. Because when I saw the kind of life those traders were living, I got inspired, because that's the same lifestyle I also wish or desire to live in future. You understand? And look at the kind of money that what kind of wealth that I want to create myself. I don't think working for salary will ever earn me that kind of money. Understand? So that was when I discovered forex market, and I said, okay, then if others are into this thing and they are making money out of that, it means that I can also equally do the same thing, because those that I was seeing are not better than me in any way. You understand? So the fact that they can do it, I can also do it. That's when everything started. So I started on learning about forex market, searching about how legal it is, how it operates, and how I can learn it. So from searching a lot, I discovered that I can learn it on my own without having to pay or going for someone to teach me. So I said, okay, let me do it on my own way. So far as I can see, I can find content on YouTube and on Google that are talking about forex market, and let me make good use of that opportunity. So that was when I started learning everything about forex market through YouTube and Google. I was reading a lot of PDFs and watching a lot of tutorials from those who are already into the market and they are finding their way out. I mean the successful people in the forex market. So after putting in the hard work and continued learning for about a week, I was able to understand how market move, the basic aspect of market, support and resistance. You buy at support and sell at resistance. So after getting to know, you buy at support and sell at resistance. When market is pushing up, it's buyers that are pushing the market up, and when market is pushing down, it's sellers that are pushing the market down. I created in a period of a week, I created my first trading account, which was a demo account. So after creating the demo account, I started trading demo. When I see when market gets to support zone, I'll buy, and when market gets to resistance zone, I'll sell. So that's what I was just doing in the market. So after a period of a week, I said no, I can't continue doing this on demo account when others are making money somewhere. And the kind of lifestyle that I want to live, I have to be in hurry. Let me quickly fund my trading account so that I'll make millions and go and buy my dream car in the short period of time. So after depositing $50 as my first live trading account, things didn't go the way I expected. Because when I was depositing the money, my intention was to flip the account or to turn that $50 into $100 withdrawals every day. Because I thought at that time it was just simple and easy to make money out of the market. So that was my perception. And you know how it will end, obviously. I blew that account. So after blowing the $50 account, I said, okay, then this is just my first trial, make I go in again. So I deposited again. I think that was $20 or $30 around that time. And the same thing happened. I ended up blowing that account too. I blew a lot of accounts. Actually, I won't lie you guys, I blew a lot of accounts just trying to make money quick from the market. Understand? And nothing works well for me, nothing goes in my favor. So that was when I said, okay, then why am I losing this money? Why am I not making it? I can see a lot of people turning small accounts like $10 to $100, $30, $50 in that order. So why can't I also do it? That's when I got to realize that I'm just gambling or I'm just doing anything without knowing what I'm doing. But after that time, I didn't know how to use stop loss, how to use take profit. I didn't even know that you need to have a strategy in order to be a successful trader. I didn't know anything about strategy, about risk management and trading psychology. Understand? So I was just doing my thing. So that's when I stopped depositing money and I continued to learn more about the market. So after searching more, I found out that in order for me to succeed, I must work on my strategy. So at first, I thought trading was just about strategy because at that time, most of the videos that I was seeing, they were just talking about strategy. I have a strategy that can offer you a 90% win rate, 100% win rate, 98% win rate, 70% win rate. So me, I thought everything was about strategy. So I focused on working on how to master or how to come up with my own strategies. So that's when I dived into into a lot of indicators. I studied indicators. I started to create my own moving averages or using my own moving average numbers in order to trade the market. So after spending some time in the market learning strategy, when to enter, when not to enter, if this moving averages crosses this moving average, I'll buy or I'll sell. When the MACD hits this point, I'll buy or I'll sell. When the RSI said I should buy, I'll buy. A lot of indicators. So when I started doing that, actually things started changing small. Because at that moment, after a month of learning the indicators and some of the price action things that you have to know, or some of technical analysis things that you need to know as a trader, like the candlestick chart patterns, wedges, triangles, patterns, what double top and double bottoms, triple top and triple bottoms, the head and shoulder and the inverse head and shoulder, how to use trend lines and Fibonacci. So after learning all these things, I said, okay, then now I'm not ready to trade the market, because after that point I was able to know if this moving average cross this moving average, you buy or you sell. Or if the price reach 50% level or the 60, that's the golden zone of Fibonacci, I have to buy or I have to sell. In one trading day, I flipped from the $10 account to $110. And because of happiness or the joy that I was me flipping $10 to $100 was a bigger achievement for me. I was so happy. If I can move $10 to $100, then why can't I also move the $100 to $500 so that I'll just withdraw? Okay, then let's continue trading. In the same day, I lost the $100 again. How I was feeling, it was too bad. How can I just lose $100? And at that time, $100 to my own currency was somewhere 700 Ghana cedis. That's 7 million Ghana cedis. Someone's monthly salary I made, even twice of someone's monthly salary, and I just do it like that in the same day. I said, okay, no, this is not good. So in that day, I didn't trade again. So the next day, I came back to the market. When I came back to the market, I saw opportunities. I entered, and by then I was trading gold. Gold was the pair that I liked much. When I saw the opportunity, I entered with many positions, and it went in my favor. I was able to flip that $10 again to $120, and from $120 to $220. So I withdraw that one, and it was down to $50, $30 thereabouts. Can't quite remember. And then I flip it up to $220 again, $320. So in all, I was able to move the $10 from $10 up to $320 in just two trading days. I said, okay, what is happening? I'm now a guru. I have decoded everything about Forex market. I'm now a Forex guru. Okay, let me start my YouTube channel. Let me start my Telegram channel. Let me start my community. So after that, I said, okay, then I'm now a guru in this market. I'm gonna buy my dream car in less than 1 year. I'm gonna do a lot of things that people never think I can do. Bro, Forex doesn't work that way. Let me tell you the truth. So after having those thoughts, okay, so sad. That was where everything started. The journey started. The actual journey started when I made those profits. Most people call it the beginner lucky stage. The lucky stage of the beginner. Whenever you come to the market as a beginner, at this stage or at this point in the market, you will make some profit. You will flip your accounts multiple times, and you will think you are a professional trader at that moment. So that's when the market will then display you. The god of the Forex market was just welcoming you to the Forex market, where brain works more than luck. In this market, brain works more than luck. We don't win out of luck. We win out of your skill level or your knowledge level in the market. So then everything started changing against me, because from flipping account to losing account day in day out, because of my perception or my mentality of buying a lot of things with that smaller account size, I kept on losing. Whenever I deposited money into the Forex account, I'll lose the money. Whenever I make a deposit, I'll lose the money. It continues that way for a long time. There were even moments that I felt like, okay, then this thing is not for me. How can I continue? How can I keep on losing money like this day in day out and no profit for me? I think this thing is not for me. Let me end it. And the other thought, I said, okay, so why is it that other people are making it? What are they doing that I'm not doing? That they are making it and I'm not making it in the market? So that's when I discovered that in order to be a successful trader, you need these three key things that I'm talking about: your trading strategy, your risk management, and your trading psychology. You have to work on to get a good strategy that has an edge over the market. And how do you know your strategy has an edge over the market? Through backtesting. After backtesting your strategy out, and you find out that your wins are more than your losses, or even the smaller wins that you get, you are still on top. You are still profitable. It means that your strategy has an edge over the market. You understand? So after having a strategy that has an edge over the market, what you need to learn again is your risk management and your trading psychology. Because without this risk management, you make $100 today, tomorrow you lose $200. You win today, you lose tomorrow. You win today, you lose tomorrow, because there's no consistency in what you are doing. In order for you to be consistent in this game, you must have a rule-based system that has written down, so that you'll be trading based on those rules. You have your risk management plan, your trading psychology plan, or your mindset as a trader. So whenever you lose this amount of your account, you are not trading for the day or for the week. You understand? And when you make this amount of profit in your account, you are not trading for the day or for the week. You understand? So without these things, you can't be a profitable trader in the market. So these are the things that I got discovered after making research and also looking for mentors. Actually, I look for mentorship. One thing that is important in this market is your mindset as a trader. If you have a negative mindset, a poor mindset about the market, no matter how good your mentor is, nothing can change for you, because your mentor duty is to teach you, is to guide you. But if you, the person trading, is not willing to change, nothing will happen for you in your trading journey. If the mentor put in the required works and you, the trader, you don't change your mindset as a trader, and you still have a gambler mindset, a gambling mentality about the market, there isn't any way that you can be a profitable trader in this market. Because I never want to give up, or giving up is never an option to me as a person in life. I thought, okay, let me now sit down, do things the right way that I have to do, approach the market the right way that each and everyone are doing it, and they are making out of the market. So after telling myself all these things, I went on further searching on how I can be a disciplined trader, how I can change my mentality as a trader, or my mindset as a trader. So that's when I learned the most important way of changing yourself as a person, or changing your mindset as a person. The simplest way is to read books. You have to get friendly with books. These books are not the books that they are teaching in school. So what I'm talking about, you can't get it in school unless those who have results in life, successful people in life, books that are written by successful people in life, their life experience and their life stories. So you have to read them. And in the forex market, we have a lot of psychological books that you can learn. But the most common and famous one is trading in the zone. That's what many forex traders knew about. So after reading trading in the zone and the disciplined trader, that's the two books that I can recommend for you guys: trading in the zone and the disciplined trader. After digesting everything about the book, or about this book, things started changing for me for good. Because at that time, I was able to create my own trading plan. And within this trading plan, I was having my risk management plan, my trading strategy, and my trading psychologist on point. Because I was having a rule that was governing everything that I do. If the rules say I shouldn't trade more than 2 setups in a day, I will not do that. If the rule says when I make this amount of losses in a day, I have to stop trading, that's what I'm gonna be doing. You understand? So after when I changed everything and was following my rules as a reasonable trader, or as a trader, everything started changing in my favor. So that's how I find my consistency in the market and being profitable trader to where I am today. So basically, as a trader, in order to be successful, the most important thing that I will recommend, or I will say, is your trading psychology. That's why you have to build. And one thing for sure is that in trading, if you are not disciplined in life, it will reflect on your chart. If you are not disciplined in real life, it will reflect in your trading chart. But whatever you do in life reflects in your trading career, or in your trading process. You understand? And in this market, you can never make it in this market if you are not disciplined. So that's what I would recommend you guys to work on. Work on your discipline. In everything that you do in life, discipline is the key. You can never succeed in anything without having what? Discipline. Discipline yourself. Have a rule-based system that you keep on following. You don't go against these rules in any case. Understand? In that way, things will work well for you as a trader. So if you are someone who is finding it very difficult, to get consistency, or to be a profitable trader in this market, please sit down, talk to yourself, ask yourself this question: Why have you started forex trading in the first place? Why have you started trading in the first place? If your why is strong enough, master, don't give up. Keep on putting on the hard work. Learn. Consume a lot of materials, information on the internet. Learn, you won't die. You understand? Because you learn before you then end. After when you learn, you will now end. But if you fail to learn, you will never end. And forex trading success doesn't happen to people. Forex trading success happens because of people. Because of what you do will bring your success. But success can't just happen to you because you want to be successful in the market. Success comes to you based on what you do as a trader. So if you change your mindset as a trader and begin to work things out, do things the rightful way, the way you're supposed to be doing, or the way other traders are doing it and they are making it in the market, you also start making your money in the market. You start getting consistency in the market, and you also buy your dream car with time, because forex is a business. So if you treat it as business, you will get what you want. But if you see it as a casino or as a gambling food master, you will lose all what you want. And many people come into the market with that mentality or perception, and that's why they will never be profitable traders in this market. So I would recommend you guys to also look at trading in this aspect as a business, not a quick scheme of making money or getting rich quick. That's the mentality in which a lot of traders are coming into the market with, and that has denied them their right or their way out of becoming profitable traders in this market. If you come to the market with a gambling mentality, the market will treat you the same way. But if you treat the market as a business, it will respond to your actions and reward you badly or reward you massively at the end of the day. You understand? Because there's enough money in the market that you can get as a trader. But if you fail to understand how the market works, there isn't any way you will make this amount of money, or you will live your dream life through forex market. So we have come to the conclusion of this video, and before we go, please remember these three key things: your trading strategy, your risk management, and your trading psychology. That's the most important things you need in the market. And what I'll be focusing more on this channel will be the risk management and the trading psychology, because I've seen that that's what a lot of beginners are suffering from. A lot of beginners are suffering from how to create their own trading plan, which consists of risk management, trading psychology, and strategy. So that's what I'll be focusing on this channel. So before we go, please, we have a community in which we are training new students or beginners in the forex market for them to find their breakthrough in the market. So if you want free content, or if you want to master your trading skills in less than 3 months, please consider joining our YouTube community, where we share educative content to beginners that are finding it very difficult to break through or to make it out of the forex market. So I will leave the link in the description below, so anyone who is interested can click on the link to join our community. I'll have a lot to teach you guys or to share with you guys in the trading community. I also have my YouTube handles, my social media handles out there. Please consider following me on my social media handles for educative content.